I'll show you. For example, you broke something, do you want? And then this thing might have value for you, but you forget the value. And then you must enjoy the time, because the time is not get back. And if something is broken, not get back, but we can take an illusion from get back, like illusion, but it's only an illusion. Then I'm looking for. Oh, this guy here. Come, boss. Not leave there.
I need a type of step. I need a type of stabilizer.
Record number 1. Number. I play magic with something that you have in your house, okay? Very easy. You have where in your house? Sure? You have where? You also. Many? Okay, perfect. The people have many cars and the where have a problem. Needs to be washed. There is a big problem. Because I don't know how it's here is. I live in a very cool place like mountain, and here I come here, and for me every time is summer. Then I'm here and you have both water, warm and hot. There is not cold water here. And then. In summer, you must wash the wear because it's dirty, and then maybe one time in the month. No? It's okay for you? One time in the month is okay. But if it's winter, you can take 2 months. It's the same. And some people have a special. I have here socks. Suppose this is a sock. But the socks have a big problem. Are two of them. And then you go to the shopping, and the sale says, "Oh, this you buy one and get 2." Okay? But when you laundry, you can wash in hand or machine. I don't have my machine here; it's too heavy. But you can wash and keep to dry. And one of these will be lost. And you keep with one only. And then you have 2 options. Then jump in one, like this. Or the other option is a keep in a bag or in a box or something. Why? The other is not come back. Why the people keep it? Only one? You have different in your house? Only one? No, you? Somebody have 2 different in your house? Yeah, it happens. And sometimes when you are children, your mother sends you to the school with 2 different. Yes? Yes, you must get up, go to the school. I have the head, okay, I go. And you go with 2 different, and don't move, keep like this. And I show you how working. You must choose one of these. Choose one with your closed eyes. And you also, and you both will be choice the same, secretly. And then the public clap you, okay? The clap part, you understand? I'm not sure. Okay, please, close your eyes and take one sauce. Take one sauce, no problem. Little up, perfect. Take one, only one. And please, take one. And open your eyes and look. Take like this. It's not that, this is perfect. Come.
I could stay awake just to hear you breathing. Watch you smile while you're sleeping, while you're far away dreaming. I could spend my life in this sweet surrender. I could stay lost in this moment forever.
One more time, close your eyes.
Every moment spent with you is a moment I treasure. Don't wanna close my eyes. I don't wanna fall asleep 'cause I miss you, baby. And I don't wanna miss a thing. 'Cause even when I dream of you, the sweetest dream you never do, I still miss you, baby. And I don't wanna miss a thing. Lying close to you, feeling your heartbeat.
There is now only 2 dogs in the back.
Wondering if it's me you'll see it. Then I kiss your eyes and thank God we are two.
Both of them, I think, same.
I just wanna stay with you in the morning forever, forever and ever. I don't wanna close my eyes. I don't wanna fall asleep 'cause
Hold
I
one.
miss you, baby. And I don't wanna miss a thing.
Both dogs are the same. Yeah, both are the same. What happened with you are daltonic? Same color, have streaks, same. What can find romantic music and 2 similar songs?